Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to knit this beautiful looking pattern. This pattern can be used in your ladies shawl, cardigan, scarf. This is the way it looks like. See, it looks so beautiful and pretty. This is the pattern. Wrong side looks like this. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern. See, this is only 8 rows repeat pattern, and you need to cast on multiples of 19 plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 19 plus 2 edge stitch. See. So let's begin. For the demonstration, I have 21 stitches on my needle, which is 19. I have only one repeat, which is 19 plus 2 edge stitch, 21. So row 1 right side. Row 1 right side, knit all stitches. Row 2 wrong side. Row 2 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 3 right side, your edge stitch, slip on the wrong right side, slip on the right side, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit together 3 times. Knit together 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 times, and then knit 1 yarn over 6 times. Knit 1 yarn over 1, knit 1 yarn over 2, knit 1 yarn over 3, knit 1 yarn over 4, knit 1 yarn over 5, knit 1 yarn over 6 times, and then one more time knit 1, and then SSK 3 times. Slip 1 knitwise, slip 2 knitwise, and knit these two together through the back loop. That's the SSK 1, SSK 2, and then SSK 3 times, and then your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 5. For row 5, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, yarn in front, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4, 2, 4, purl 4, knit 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Knit 11, purl 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Knit 11, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 and purl 4. And your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 6, wrong side, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, yarn in back, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4, purl 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, purl 11 and knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 11, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 and knit 4. And your last edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Row 7, knit all stitches. Row 8, last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. See, this is one repeat. Now repeat these 8 rows, row 1 to row 8 over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.